So because it's how it always goes, we have guilted mechanic Steve into coming out, and he's basically going to do everything, and we're just going to keep him company, then later talk about how we got the tractor running.
Yeah.
All right, so what's the deal with this thing? How long's it been sitting here, Justin?
Parked here probably 2 months ago. 2
months ago. All right, so I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, it's just been.
I cut everybody off.
It's been kind of fickle. We did a little work to it. Steven came out, and we got the tractor running.
Yeah.
And yeah, it just needs a little bit of love. And she's always been a little bit of. She has some issues with the bowl, and we're trying to find this. Steven can explain it. This bowl that shuts the carburetor on and off. The issue is operator error. People keep leaving the gas on. So when we fire this thing up, we're gonna immediately do an oil change. That's probably what's gonna happen.
There's a little glass bowl, the separator bowls. There's one that has a little oil pressure line that goes to it. So when you first crank up the engine, it gets oil pressure, and it sits at oil pressure, and it turns the fuel on. When the engine shuts off, it turns the fuel off to it. Apparently it was really, really popular with these, and they're on eBay, but they're about, $100, $200. So we're trying to figure out a setup to put on it.
You want to fabricable it instead, I understand. So I don't know much about letter series Deeres, but I'm guessing by the seat and the battery box, this is a late model, like a 51 or 52, and magneto ignition instead of a distributor. I'm guessing that's a Wicco mag. And yeah. Let's see if I can smile and nod and appear useful while these two do pretty much everything.
I'm gonna watch too.
Well, we're gonna get the tire aired up. The tire's a little bit low, and either this tire is low or the other three swelled up. I don't know.
You still have a generator on this. Nice. Does it work?
Ish. Yeah, we think it does. We're not sure.
All right, go for it. All right, show us what you're doing here, Justin. I gotta remember this for when I try to start mine.
Well, I'm gonna sit up here on the hot seat.
Yeah, literally with the cable still attached. All right, so what's that, the throttle?
All right, we got the fuel turned on there.
Where's the fuel?
Chucky.
Oh, that's okay.
I don't remember, is it back?
I don't remember either.
Righty, loosey, lefty, tighty.
That's probably good.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
So the first thing we're gonna do right here is lock the brake into place, right? Put that little lever down and lock that brake. Now that's just one side, so this side will be open too.
Okay.
And then we're going to push this all the way forward. And hit her about right there. Pull the choke out. Actually, she's a little temperamental with the choke.
All right.
You just give her a little pop of the choke. Now, I'm sitting in a really weird position.
Yeah.
It's not the safest way to do it because I don't have the seat on. So yeah, go ahead, Steven. Make sure she's out of gear.
You gotta wiggle that?
Go ahead.
There's my juice.
The atomic golf cart. It might be running out of Ukrainium or whatever it runs on. We're joking about how that never needs to be charged because it's nuclear powered. Super lame stuff. It was funnier at the time.
Your jokes are always terrible.
They say never crank one of these when you're off of it. So close.
Where's your starter fluid?
It doesn't. Top's closed, isn't it?
Is it? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't work. Well, I don't got a tampon in here. They just hook it to the truck.
Oh, cool. noticed the battery's not charged.
You know, everything runs fine until Chucky gets over.
I know. This is the pursuit of perfection killed good enough. Oh shoot, we never even made sure there's fuel in it.
Yeah, she got fuel. Got that clear sight glass. That really helps.
Oh yeah.
You can really see the rust. No, we clean the tank out.
Nice! Alright, let's see here. Pop that into second. Everything. All right, well, that was fun. I break everything. Go easy on me. At least it's in somewhat of a parking space. Okay, well, that was fun. We'll get this thing going. I want to make sure it doesn't roll away. But that was a nice random adventure, and now I have motivation to fix, and now a little bit more familiarity with the, let me fix this camera, with the Model A that I have. Big thanks to Justin for letting me drive this thing. All right. Well, shoot, totally killed it. Oh, hey, we still have the coffee cup. That's pretty neat. What a cool old machine.